My name is Susanne. I just bought a new home in Cumming and I wanted to do a remodel of the laundry room and the master closet. I did my research online and I looked at reviews. Georgia Closet stood out with its video reviews, which were very enlightening. And I made an appointment with Diane. This is a family business. It's Diane, Kenneth, and their son Kevin. When Diane came, that really clinched the deal for me. She is incredibly knowledgeable. They've been doing this for decades. And she asks a lot of questions. She looks at what's in your closet. How many shoes have you got? How many belts? How tall are you? For how many people are the closets? So she really knows what you need. And then what was very important to me, there was no disconnect with the installation because Diane is present at every installation. It really makes a difference because she knows what your concerns are. So this is the result. I'm very, very happy with it. And you'll get a chance to take a look at my laundry room as well.